Just cleaned the bike, and I thought I'd better check, after ABR Fest was a bit of a dust festival, what the air filter's looking like. And the answer is, I think it's in need of a bit of a clean. So, just gonna unscrew these. Take the filter off carefully so you don't drop any big bits down into the air box, and replace these so I don't lose them. Then to get the sponge off the frame, you just want to pop the rubber bits off of the metal tube inside, and then carefully just sort of ease it out, being careful not to rip it. Obviously put this to one side so you don't lose it. You can see it's not too bad on the inside, you just need to get rid of some of the muck on the outside. So you want to rinse it from the inside outwards to push the dirt out. I'm just going to use a little bit of this air filter cleaner just to loosen up the dirt. The spray top on it stopped working, so I'll just borrow this one off of the muck off. You want to rinse it from the inside out so it washes the dirt out of the filter rather than pushing the dirt through the filter. Big bits off, give it a good old scrub in here. It's looking a lot cleaner. Then just need to hang it out to dry, which in the 34-degree heat that we've got today should take about 20 minutes probably. Give it a little rinse. It's so hot that the water coming out of this is, you could shower in it. Right, hang that to dry for a bit. Now you've got the air filter nice and dry. Obviously it's pretty clean. You're never going to get it perfect, but it's an awful lot better than it was before. It's just a case of carefully getting this plate back in here without ripping the sponge. Then the metal bits just have to locate into these plastic parts there. You can see you just have to sort of work the rubber bit around the edge of the metal bit, and then it just sort of pops into place. I don't know how well you can see that, but you can kind of feel it when it's located. So that one's not been popped in yet, and that one is popped in. That's good. And then you're ready to oil it. So I'm just using some of this air filter oil spray. Just a fairly liberal coat. There you go, so that's pretty much coated all the way around. You can feel it's wet. Then take out anything that you've got blocking the intake hole. Reposition your freshly oiled filter onto the airbox. Just tighten him down. Just clean a little bit of oil off the rubber so it's not too greasy to undo next time you need to undo it. Then just refit the seat. It should be good for a start. So yeah, easy as that. Catch you in the next one.